amazing to connect with you. It is so amazing to hear your voice. You joined us recently, and it's been joy and pleasure to have you on board. So could you please share your story? Could you please share your prior background and what have you done prior to Fibonacci Trading Institute?
Well, I've been trying to learn how to trade for about 15 years. About 5 years ago, I started to study futures full-time. And I've been in 9 different trade rooms, and the best I could manage using the teaching and instruction in those rooms was about 4 to 6 points per day. I was not happy with the mentors in these rooms. It seemed like they didn't care whether you succeeded or failed. And they themselves thought it was a great accomplishment to achieve a win of 4 points for an entire day. So I was so delighted to find you because I really feel like you care. And you care whether we succeed or fail. And not only that, your system is just amazingly accurate.
Thank you. So you are, I believe, on week number 5 with us?
Yes, that's right.
How long did it take you, and did you find it complicated to master?
No, I didn't find it difficult. However, I would say to anyone that was contemplating signing up and becoming a member of the Alpha Fibonacci Club, you have to be serious about learning, because you have made hundreds of videos, and I've been studying these videos many hours each day. And the reason I do it is because I know that your system really, really works, and it works with unbelievable accuracy. And if you want to succeed, it's definitely worth putting the time in to learn as much as possible. So I would say, no, it's not difficult, but you have to be a serious student in order to become successful. I mean, it's like learning any job, any career. If you want to be good at it, you have to learn it. So it's not difficult. You just have to put in the time.
Yes, absolutely agree. Success in life is not possible without effort. So absolutely. So true. So when did you start trading live?
Well, I traded live in the past when I was trading in some of those other chat rooms, but with very mixed results. I started trading live with your Fibonacci system about 2 weeks ago. So it hasn't been very long that I've been using your system. I used it on Sim the first few weeks because I wasn't sure that I knew everything. Well, I still don't know everything there is to know, but I'm learning more each day. And so I started trading live about 2 weeks ago.
So on your 3rd week, you started trading live, which is pretty much after 12 days together.
Yes, that's right.
Amazing. Incredible. So what is your success rate right now, and what are you trading?
Well, my success rate is about 80%. The most difficult thing for me has been to learn to be patient. With your system, you are not in the market all the time. And you wait until the setup is perfect, so that when you enter, you trade alongside the institutions. So you're trading with them in the same direction, never against them. And before I met you, Alla, I never knew where the institutional traders were waiting to buy or sell. I've learned where these areas are from you and your videos. And I've learned to patiently wait for the perfect trade setup. Long off institutional support and short off institutional resistance. And I was amazed at this the first time I saw it. The trades would reach their targets in seconds or a few minutes. And it's because we're trading alongside the institutions. Well, the main ones are gold, S&P, crude oil, and the Dow.
Wow, you're trading 4 instruments at the same time. That's incredible.
Well, you know what? The reason is that sometimes you'll in any one given market, it will stall at a place for a long period of time. And so then I just ignore it for a while and concentrate on something else. I think, honestly, anyone can achieve this. They just have to spend time with you and watch as many of your videos as possible. Some of the people in the Alpha Fibonacci Club have better success rates, like Brad, I think. Some approach 95% or better. So I am working at getting better.
Well, that's because it's your week number 5. 5 months from now, you will be better, and 10 months from now, you will be better and better and better and better. But I think also it's because you're trading 4 instruments. It's 4 times the effort. So what is the average screen time, would you say, per week?
I often put in 12 or 14-hour days because I am studying the videos so much.
And so because you love trading so much, because it's a lot of instruments.
Yeah, that's true. But your method works so well, and it doesn't seem to matter what instrument you trade. It works with all of them. I was amazed when you showed Forex. I mean, it works with Forex. Not that I traded, but I'm just amazed. And it works with stocks as well as futures. So down the line, once I know this better, I would love to take more of your courses, and I'd love to take the options course that you developed with Sam. That would be something I'd love to learn. So I'm just happy that you're out there and you're anxious to make the world a better place and try and help people, because I feel like you, but I need to learn how to do this.
Well, you're doing an incredible job. Right now, you're inspiring others, and right now, you're already changing lives. So, David, because everything is happening at the same time as this historical crisis, as this historical event, how this volatility and this crisis, has it impacted your trading? Has it changed your trading? How did it impact you? Because you started the course literally a week before the crisis.
That's true. But I did get to see from the videos what it might be like trading in a normal market. And then the volatility occurred. And I know that with this increased volatility, trading is more dangerous. So I've been using some of the micro contracts on the ES and on the Dow. Of course, you can't use those on the on gold and oil, but on the ES and the Dow, you can use the micros. So it was, your rules made a lot of sense to me when I first heard them. And I think it's a really great way, because otherwise you're kind of going blind. And you know how there's often consolidation around one of the institutional levels. And you want to be sure before you take a trade that the market has in fact reversed, because sometimes it's possible that the market could break through that level and continue on in the direction it was already going. So I love your idea of proving it to yourself by using the rules before you actually commit yourself to a trade.
Excellent. So you're trading strategically and you're trading proactively without any panic, even in current market.
Well, that's the amazing thing, is because, well, you can use the 1, 2, or 3 minute or even 5 minute charts, and you have lots of time then to evaluate what you are doing. And almost always the price continues. So I think it's just a great way to trade. Takes away the stress.
Amazing. So agree. So do you apply exact same ethics and mentality to your personal life, to your personal health? If there's anything that you would like to share that can help other traders in this time of crisis?
Well, I do. I'm very concerned about health, and that's one of the things I appreciate so much about you. I love the fact that you willingly share your health and diet ideas and exercise and all the things you do to make life better. And I love the fact that you share this with other people, because, that's the best way, isn't it? If you find something that's good, you share it with other people. And so even if it weren't for the trading, I'm very happy to be part of the Alpha Fibonacci Club. And I work out about 3 to 4 days a week, and I run the other days. And I try to be sure my vegetarian diet does not contain anything harmful, but only things that will improve health. So I love the things that you've talked about in the room. You obviously try to live in a way that will benefit you and it will benefit anybody. I appreciate all the things that you share with us.
Thank you, David. It means the world. It means the world that you're taking such good care of your health, which shows the way you take care of your body, of your mind. It's the way you take care of your trading account.
Thank you.
So good to hear. Do you have any advice you would like to give to other traders who are thinking about joining us? If there's anything that you'd like to share?
I think if a person has been looking for a method of trading which is consistently successful, and if that person is willing to study, then they do not have to look any further. This is the best system I have ever seen, and it really, really works. The degree of accuracy is truly amazing. After so many bad experiences in other trade rooms, I am so happy to have found you, Alla. I would say you're very caring and extremely knowledgeable, and you want to see all of your students succeed. And I appreciate that so much.
Well, David, this absolutely means the world that you took your time to share your story, that you took your time to inspire others. The world needs more of the light, more of the positivity of human beings and traders like you. So thank you so much for sharing your story, and I'm absolutely thrilled for your success, and I'm absolutely here to continue guiding and to continue teaching you.
Well, thank you so much, Alla. I do really appreciate all that you do. So, and I'm happy to have had this chance to share my thoughts about you and your trading method. It's wonderful. Thank you.
Thank you, David, so much. Thank you. Look forward to seeing you in the trading room tomorrow.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Sounds good. Bye.